we'll say Alhamdulillah again. We've seen something very unique. Let's thank Allah for that. Atakbir. Why am I saying so? When you go to other countries, there is no way you could see our brother Christians and Muslims for us coming together this way. Let's thank Ghana and let's thank our religious leaders. And secondly, what our Vice President, His Excellency, did for Muslims, we can't forget about it. Let's tell you something. Right in 2012, you know our Quran is Arabic language. We were having Arabic teachers in our various schools. They were sacking them, telling us that Arabic is not a subject. With the help of the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu, His Excellency, now this year, our brothers in JHS wrote Arabic as a subject. Let's thank the again, please. Let me tell you, I completed Bole Seniors High. Let me say, my time it was secondary school. Most of you know me. Let me tell you, Bole, MPP, what MPP did for us, we can't forget about MPP. Let us be frank. For we imams, we need not to tell lie. In fact, when we talk of development, it's MPP who made Ghana to first see a tide road from Bole to Bamboi. Let's clap for the party. Again, let me add it again. With the help of MPP from Bamboi to Tenga, we have seen what we call electricity. It's MPP. Now, Adria Slamo, Kesiki, and I say, Union, Yashia Hayam Homodi, Sir Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, Union of Slamo, Oma man Kamufon, also a free in Akayabum. It's a Masrayan, ye Imam for Yamma Yankambumsa, Yachichremanisa, a bear of Fata, Ye Bompire. Sir, Oko Mambia, Atuturasem Akosu, Kamfoda Christopher Elkon, Yadia, Yatakuran Nasi, we are not going to do that, and let me see everyone.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.